How to replace a word or a phrase in Speech Recognition Anywhere. Speech Recognition Anywhere is a browser extension that allows you to use your voice to control the internet or use your voice to write emails and documents on the internet. Speech Recognition Anywhere is available at the Chrome Web Store. If speech recognition regularly misspells a word or a phrase, then in Speech Recognition Anywhere, you can create a custom command and use the replace word action. For example, to always replace OK with the spelling OKAY, first click on the Speech Recognition Anywhere microphone icon in the browser toolbar to start it and go to the Extensions tab. Click on Custom Commands, click on Add to create a new custom command, or you can edit any of the custom commands already there. For the phrase, type OK. For the action, type replace underscore word, parenthesis, OKAY, parenthesis. For the description, you can put something like always replace OK with OKAY. Now you can say sentences like everything is okay. The replace word action also works with phrases. For example, speech recognition usually spells Bryan with an I, but what if you want to spell Bryan with a Y, but only when you say the name Bryan Jones? You can create a custom command for that. For the phrase, put Bryan with an I Jones. For the action, put replace underscore word, parenthesis, Bryan with a Y, Jones, parenthesis. For the description, you can put always replace Bryan Jones with Bryan Jones. Now you can say, Bryan Jones will be arriving at 2:00 p.m. Speech recognition usually spells Geoff with a J. But what if you know someone that spells Geoff with a G? You can create a custom command for that. For the phrase, type Geoff with a G. For the action, put replace underscore word, parenthesis, GEOFF, parenthesis. Now you can say, Geoff with a G is taking the lead on the project. Regular expressions make custom commands even more powerful. For example, you can replace Geoff with a G and Geoffrey with a G using the same custom command. For the phrase, after Geoff, put parenthesis, REY parenthesis question mark. For the action, after GEOFF, put $1. The question mark after the parenthesis means that the capturing group in front of it is optional. $1 in the action field refers to the first capturing group in the phrase field. Now you can say, Geoff with a G prefers to be called Geoffrey with a G. What if speech recognition is spelling color and colors with a U, but you prefer to spell it without a U? You can create one custom command to fix both of them. For the phrase, put color with a U, parenthesis S, parenthesis question mark. For the action, type replace underscore word, parenthesis color without a U, $1, parenthesis. For the description, you can write always replace colors with colors. The question mark after the parenthesis means that the capturing group in front of it is optional. $1 in the action field refers to the first capturing group in the phrase field. But then what about the words colorful, coloring, and colored? You can use the same custom command to remove the U from those words as well. So for the phrase, after the S, type a vertical bar and put FUL, vertical bar ING, vertical bar ED. The vertical bar means or. It can usually be typed on a keyboard by typing Shift \. Now you can say, his coloring book has many colorful pictures. He used colored pencils with beautiful pastel colors. If speech recognition is using an SZ in German words like Gruß or Straße, then you can replace it with a double S with a custom command. For the phrase, type parenthesis, period, asterisk, parenthesis, SZ, parenthesis, period, asterisk, parenthesis. For the action, type replace underscore word, parenthesis, $1, SS, $2, parenthesis. For the description, you can type replace German SZ with double S. The period in a regular expression means it will match any character. The asterisk means match the preceding character 0 or more times. $1 in the action field refers to the first capturing group in the phrase field. $2 in the action field refers to the second capturing group in the phrase field. Now you can say, beste Grüße. For more examples of the replace word action, go to cbreezecomputers.com/speech #replace_word.